Welcome back to our channel How to Guide.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can use Math Notes in iOS 18. So guys, if you have just updated your iPhone to iOS 18 and you don't know how to use some of the new features, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys about Math Notes. This is a new feature that Apple has launched on the Calculator app. Just go ahead and open Calculator first. So once you go there, you'll see this Calculator button right here. Tap there and you'll see this option which was on the beginning of all the other software like iOS 17 or below than that. So if you tap here, you'll be shown to this scientific calculator page, and once you tap on Math Notes, you'll be shown here. So in order to use Math Notes, just go ahead and tap on this new button over here. And guys, it's really helpful if you use this in order to make notes in class. Like, you can just go ahead and tap on the pen like button and you can just make notes. Like, once you write something and if you are wrong, then the software will automatically show you the right answer. Like, you can do into, and you can see that it has already brought up the answer. If you're wrong with some answer, it will also show you correct ones. You can also see this link option, and through here you can attach files, you can record audios, you can choose photos, take photos, scan documents and scan text. So guys, this is a very helpful feature that the Apple has brought. So there you go, that's how you use Math Notes in iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.